Alright, so welcome. I guess this will be the first introduction to possibly a series of videos, but today I will be attempting to put coilovers on my Golf. We got Raceland coils, as you can see, and I got the Ultimos because fucking send it, I guess. Golf City for my Canadian boys who know the feeling of a slow ass vehicle. Hopefully, this thing will be no longer slow in the near future, but we shall see. Other than that, let's get to a progress update. Got the first wheel off the rear. So far, so smoothly. Or so far, so good. Decided not to put jacks up onto the front because these are shit, and these other ones, I don't know. They were used for an Evo, so I'm gonna assume they're pretty decent. Other than that, this should hopefully be. Update number 3, I have just gotten the spring and the shock out. The shock was pretty much a piece of cake. This thing is a bitch and a half. It took me about, I started at 5:30. It's now 7. I'd say almost half that time I spent figuring out this thing, because I was trying to drop this, but the bolts and the nut and the bolt for this are like fucking seized on there. So good thing I bought these spring shock compressors today, because if not, I would have been putting the wheel back on and throwing hands at my fucking car. So, you know, anything can happen. Okay, so as you can see here, the black one here on the right and this on the left, these are the stock ones. And what the fuck is this, bro? That spring is so small. Not that it's a bad thing, of course, like coils. It stands like for a reason. But like, fuck me, man. That is such a difference. Even this is like not like totally lined up together, but you can even see still that like it's still much shorter than the stock one. Like, fucking Volkswagen, man. Alright, so progress report number 3. It's actually the next day. It took so long getting that fucking spring out. Like, oh my god, you wouldn't believe. Anyway, it's the next day. Finally got it out. Now we're just gonna have to get those boys in. Okay, so update number 4. I have gotten the passenger side strut and spring in. They are installed, and they are set to what I think I want to be riding at. But now I gotta do the front. We will see how low this goes, because I have to drop it anyway to put the stands back over the front. So like, we will see, and that will give us an idea of whether or not we have to change it or not. I really hope I don't have to, because man, that was a pain in the fucking ass. Alright, so welcome back. I guess not really welcome back. This is always going to be the same video if I fucking make it. Anyway, the back is done. It's to where I think I want it to be. I don't know. It's still gotta like settle and shit. So we'll see how far it drops down after that. But right now we're working on the front, and it's much easier, but at the same time a bitch. So I called a friend over, and we were trying to get a fucking tie rod off. Didn't really work out. Pretty sure the bolt under here is seized, so I'm not gonna go that route. I'm gonna try and avoid it as much as possible. The top hat, or whatever you want to call it, is off. So this thing is just completely wobbly and shit. Thank God I ordered the spacer bolt, if you will. because behind here with German engineering, or I guess, I don't know if it's on every German car, but Mark IV Golfs and the Mark IV body or style has this whole clamping system behind here, so you have to grab this or pick up a specific tool to spread it apart, or else getting this whole thing is gonna be a bitch. Because trying to lift this whole thing up, which I can't because it's too heavy and I can't do it with one hand, this whole thing will just come up with it. So shit out of luck if you try that. Best is to get the spacer bolt. I guess I'm gonna get to working on this thing. This is like day number 4, if I said that yet, but I'm gonna try.